Hello friends. So, many of you may have encountered an event when you wanna get a picture from the site and you wanna insert it into your own, and you can't reach it like that. Let's say I want this picture from Spotify, and you see there's a path, but the path is not something I could use. It's not a URL, it's an SVG. Okay, so how do we get it? When I encountered this thing at first, many people told me you can get it at networks. Okay, there is a request to get the image. If you go to networks, and you can filter all the request by images, and then you can see all the images. But as you can see here, there are 1,500 requests, and 188 from them are images requests. So finding in this one, and you can filter it, finding in this lots of pictures, it's a bit problematic to say the least. And I don't think that's a good working way. So how do we do it? So the solution would be to go to the element, and you can see here there's an SVG, there is a SVG, and all this is SVG element in the HTML. Let's take it all and edit it. Okay, edit as HTML, and now you can see I have the alt tag of the SVG, right? So copy. And now we go to the coding. You can use whatever framework you want. This is VS Code. I'm not using any extension for this, just so you know. But I do use Vite. If you want to know how to use Vite, there are guides for that. It's not a problem. But you should have a probably a project with Vite, and actually it's better to work with Vite. You should do it anyway. Today it helps you go over things that are a bit annoying and things you need to work on. So this is much easier usually. So this is my project, and what I need to do first, I need a plugin for that. Not plugin, library, and this library called the vite-plugin-svgr. Okay, so I use npm. You can use yarn or whatever you are using. Npm install vite-plugin-svgr, and click enter, and it will install the library. So now it probably takes more time for you. For me, it's already inside my computer. And now I want to go to the vite-config. Okay, this is why I use Vite. There is a config file called config.js. If you don't have it, you can create it. It's not a problem. Okay, you can create this file. You have it. You have many templates on the internet, but usually just import from Vite, and there is defineConfig, and React if you're using. If you're not, it's also fine. Okay, and now I'm gonna insert my plugin that I just installed. So I'm into my project, so Vite can use it. So I'm gonna call it import svgr, right? Yeah, from, and then I write Vite plugin svgr. You see it's already been suggested for me. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so you can see it here, and now I'm going to insert it into the plugins, and in the end it's a function, so like this. All right, after we do that, we want to insert the SVG. So we can create, just for some order, We can create a folder for it in assets. I'm gonna do it because it's easier this way, and I feel like it's more. Okay, so new folder, svgs. Cool. And I create a new file. And this file is going to be the name I'm going to use. Let's say, because this is now playing view. This is the name they also used in Spotify, so I use the same name, view. And I'm going to put svg at the end. Cool. Now I'm going to take the text that I copied, svg data, the alt tag, and I'm going to paste it inside here. I don't need to format it. It's fine that way. Just copy, paste, and save. Okay, good. Now the way to use it, it's actually going to be just importing the SVG and then using it. So if I want to say to import my nowPlayingView, it would be import, it must be capital letter here, okay? This is important. And another important thing is when you import it, you add question mark and then React. That's how it works. Without it, it won't work, okay? And then you can use it, as you can see. You just put it as a sort of component inside where you want to use it, and there you have it. And now let's see it in my project. So I used import nowPlayingView, I called it, from svgs react, okay, and now I put it inside my code. Here it is next to the other image. This was a test, and this is the one that I just used. So I just use it as a component, you see here. And now I'm gonna look at my code and I can see the SVG. There it is. All right. So this is how you can take SVG and insert it into your own design. I hope we can use it well, and I hope you like it. And if something is not clear, you can add it in the comments, and I can answer to you. And yeah, have a good day and get good coding. Bye.